Dear friends, today we will have briefing on savings bank deposits, current account deposits and also term deposits. All these three things we will have a brief discussion in this session. Let us have a brief on savings bank deposit in this session. Okay, so the savings bank deposit is the most popular deposit scheme in the bank. Here it is interest bearing demand deposit. That means the deposit will earn interest. Further, you can withdraw your money at any time. And one more beauty of this deposit scheme is you will get add-on services like ATM cards, internet banking, mobile banking and also checkbook facility. And the account can be opened by single person or by jointly also you can open the account. In respect of the joint accounts, you can operate jointly or either are survivor. That means anyone can operate. And further, for small people, there is a provision is there. What is that provision? That there is no minimum balance. Small people means poor people, low income people, what kind of we say. And these low income people need not maintain any minimum balance. That is called as no frill account. And NRI, non-resident Indians also can open savings bank and they can repatriate the amount whenever they require. Here, what are the types of the deposits are available in the savings bank? Number one, no frill accounts for poor people or low income people, non-residents, NRI accounts for non-resident Indians, and also here a customer specific deposit schemes also available in respect of the savings bank. What are those customer specific savings banks? You may be know are different type of savings bank products also available in many banks specific to the needs of the customer. That means for salaried person there is a specific savings bank, and for ladies there is a specific saving bank. And also one more beauty of the savings bank is here one of the important product they have developed, that is with auto sweep facility. That means whenever a threshold limit will be fixed in your savings bank and beyond that limit you will automatically the amount will be transferred into fixed deposit. That means suppose if you have a put limit of 50,000 rupees, so automatically if any deposit comes more than 50,000 and it will be converted into fixed deposit, so that the people will can earn more interest on the deposits. And further they can withdraw at any time. And in addition to that, nomination facility also available. You can open the savings bank account online also, but subject to fulfilling the KYC norms. That is, you may be knowing what is the KYC norms. That is ID proof, that is identification proof, and address proof. The both are required for opening any account in the bank. Dear friends, let us have discussion on current account. The current account is mainly useful for business people, companies, etc. for their operations. In respect of the current account, you can deposit huge amounts. You can withdraw the huge amount. There is no restrictions at all. That means you can deposit crores of rupees and also you can withdraw the crores of rupees. Whereas in savings bank, there are restrictions, particularly for the deposits as well as withdrawals. But in current account, there are no restrictions. Here, internet banking also available for this current account for their operation. Particularly companies. Current account, there is a minimum balance. Further, the current account will not carry any interest. That means bank will not pay any interest on current account. However, certain times, depending upon the relation with the customer, the bank allows overdraft. The overdraft is nothing but certain times there is no balance in the current account, but customer require money. So the banker, depending upon the relation with the customer, they will allow overdraft. For that, the banker will charge interest as per prevailing rate with them. KYC guidelines are necessary, and as per the bank requirement, the people have to submit KYC requirement, that is identity proof, address proof, in addition to that business proof. All these things are required for the current account. Here checkbook facility is also available, and moreover there is no nomination facility because these are meant for business purpose. So there will not be any nomination here. Let us discuss now term deposits or time deposits. The time deposits are nothing but you will invest money with the bank for certain period. Let us say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, up to 10 years you can invest. Here you will earn interest. One more thing, you will get a loan against fixed deposit. There is a margin they will maintain. That margin, after that margin, the banker will give loan. And for that, you have to pay interest also. Some extra interest they will charge. In addition to that, you will get nomination facility also. So all these benefits are there. Further, you can cancel the deposit at any time. That provision is also available. For opening term deposit, you require SB account or current account. One more thing, the government also introduced some more schemes of them. That means the government sponsored scheme, that is Public Provident Fund scheme, Senior Citizen scheme, that also available in the bank. The bank will act as an agent to the government here. And here a little extra interest also will get, but you cannot prematurely cancel these accounts unless for specified reasons.